2006 Citation Supreme 34RLTS for sale in Charlie Lake, British Columbia, Canada V0C1H0 Get ready for your next adventure with this 2006 Citation Supreme 34RLTS. This luxury fifth wheel is 34 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 4 guests. It has been outfitted with 3 power slide-outs and power awnings over all slides, as well as leveling jacks both front and rear. This impressive RV has been very well maintained, which has enabled its clean ready-to-go condition. This extremely efficient winter living, true all-four seasons trailer is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious fifth wheel your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include Corian countertops, 3-burn range with oven, convection microwave, fridge/freezer, double kitchen sink, dinette with chair seating, television, DVD/CD/stereo, sleeper sofas, chairs, standalone shower, master, queen size bed, storage closet, basement storage, 2 SkylightsFantastic vent, FansDual pane, storm windows, $5,000 worth of professional built side skirting for winter living, 14-ply heavy duty tires, 14000 axle capacity, and much more. This 2006 Citation Supreme 34RLTS is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. There is a little damage to the driver's side back bumper, but don't let that faze you. This Citation Supreme is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2006 Citation Supreme 34RLTS fifth wheel can be yours.